Oh, hello there. This is Shannon Bowdy with Slow Happy Homes of Keller Williams, and we're so excited. We are hosting a Cascada Lane open house extravaganza this Saturday and Sunday from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. You have the opportunity to see two amazing estates right here on beautiful Cascada Lane. We have 921 and 925 Cascada Lane. That's all one property, but three separate units. One's connected to the main house, and the other one is a detached guest house. Also, there's a huge workshop. There's so much that has to offer. Watch this video and learn a little bit more about it. And right now, coming soon, 936 Cascada. That's going to also be open, all single level on an acre of land, stunning home. Can't wait to share both with you. Saturday and Sunday, 11 to 2. Come on down and see these beautiful properties on Cascada Lane.
Hey there, this is Scott Hagwood and Glenn Warren. We're going to be here tomorrow from 11 to 2. Tomorrow is Saturday from 11 to 2. And if you want a beautiful property with multiple units on it and a gorgeous workshop with a loft, come check it out. Come say hi. You will be amazed.
Hi, I'm Michelle Mills with Slow Happy Homes.
I'm Vanessa with Envoy Mortgage.
And we both will be here Sunday from 11 to 2. Come check out this beautiful home on over an acre. It has 3 units. Turnkey, amazing property, many amenities.
You won't want to miss it, so we'll see you soon. So here are going to be some of the features, and I need you guys to come check out this party patio.
And this amazing outdoor kitchen and barbecue is just waiting for a party. It has a kitchen sink, a Santa Maria style barbecue, 2 mini fridges, and a cooktop.
Woo! And an amazing putting green.
And check out this amazing guest house. It's on a separate meter. It's 675 square feet, and it has this amazing, beautiful deck to enjoy the sunny weather.
Another great amenity is this 1,000 square foot garage with these beautiful epoxy floors.
And also these amazing built-in cabinets for all of your tools, all stored away on ball bearings.
Now how about this loft?
Yes, this loft and this whole workshop has a built-in air compressor. It is your workshop galore. Not only does this property have an amazing stage for all of your outdoor parties, but it also has a rain catchment system as well. Here is the attached studio to the main house. Come on in. It has a kitchenette in here, sink, microwave, a stackable washer and dryer. Refrigerator is here, lots of cabinet space. And lots of storage. It has this closet here, which is a nice walk-in. Nice living area here. Another closet is here. And a full bathroom is here. So perfect for any guests that you have coming to visit.
Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy with Slow Happy Homes of Keller Williams. You have a slow, happy day.